students. Next application, that is hydration of alkenes or addition of water, hydration of alkenes. But different reagents are there. That is one propane react with water in acid catalyst. Already everything we discussed, oxymercuration, demercuration and oxyhydroboration, oxidation, everything we did in previous video. Now here example is one propane react with water in the presence of acid catalyst. What is the product, student? So it follow the Markovnikov rule. What is the product? That is CH3 CHOH then CH3. It is also anti-addition reaction. Acid catalyst, alkenes react with water in the presence of acid catalyst to give a 2-propanol is formed, that is secondary alcohol is formed. It follow the Markovnikov's rule, Markovnikov's rules. And second one is one propene react with mercuric acetate. Three reagents are there: mercuric acetate, water and sodium borohydride in the presence of OH minus base. So mercuric acetate, it is also follow the Markovnikov rule. Oxymercuration and demercuration, it is also follow the Markovnikov rule. What is the product, student? It is also anti-addition reaction. Product is CH3CH then OH then CH2H. That means that the addition of water means what, student? That is H2O, it contain H plus and OH minus. We know Markovnikov rule. Negative part means negative species means OH minus, positive species means H plus. According to the Markovnikov rule, negative species OH minus will attacks carbon which contain less number of hydrogen. Negative species will attacks carbon which contain less number of hydrogen means these two compounds, these two species will attack only these two carbons only. Out of these two, which one is less number of hydrogen? This carbon having less number of hydrogen, this carbon having more number of hydrogen compared to this one. But this CH3 is not considered. Addition always, you remember, student, addition always in between double bond. Addition reaction formed in between only double bonded carbon. Double bonded carbons are undergoes addition reactions only. So this H plus and OH minus is there. According to the Markovnikov rule, OH minus will attacks carbon which contain less number of hydrogen. OH minus will attack this position, H plus will attacks this position. So here OH minus will attacks carbon which contain less number of hydrogen, H plus will attack this position, carbon which contain more number of hydrogen. So it is also follow the Markovnikov rule. That is anti-addition reaction. And the third one is, student, that is one propene react with B2H6, that is diborane in the presence of tetrahydrofuran, THF. This is first reagent, this is second reagent, that is H2O2 by, that is hydroboration and oxidation. It is also two steps reaction, student. Oxymercuration, demercuration also two steps reaction. First step is oxymercuration, second step is demercuration, and first step is hydroboration and oxidation. First step is hydroboration, second step is oxidation. So here two reagents. So it is hydroboration and oxidation, it follow the anti-Markovnikov rule. It is very most important, student. Oxymercuration follow the Markovnikov rule, and hydroboration, oxidation follow the anti-Markovnikov rule. We know anti-Markovnikov rule. What is anti-Markovnikov rule, student? Negative part of the substance will attacks carbon which contain more number of hydrogen, means it reverse. Compared to anti-Markovnikov rule, that is reverse. What is the product, student? Here CH3 CH2. So what is the anti-Markovnikov rule? Negative part, H2O, it contain what I said, that is H plus and OH minus. OH minus will attacks carbon which contain more number of hydrogen. OH will attacks this position, and H plus will attack carbon which contain less number of hydrogen. These both are syn addition reaction, student. This is the syn addition reaction. What is syn addition reaction means? Two groups attack same side. Is called, that is syn addition. H and OH present on same side, so that's why it is called syn addition reaction. So Markovnikov rule follow this. Markovnikov rule, according to the Markovnikov rule, negative part of the substance will attacks carbon which contain less number of hydrogen. Anti-Markovnikov rule, according to anti-Markovnikov rule means negative part of the substance will attacks carbon which contain more number of hydrogen. So here this is the important rule student, that is oxymercuration and demercuration. Oxymercuration follow the Markovnikov rule and hydroboration oxidation follow the anti-Markovnikov rule. It is very most important student. These both compound oxymercuration and demercuration and hydroboration oxidation, there is no formation of carbocation. There is no formation of carbocation, there is no formation of rearrangement. It is very most important student. Rearrangement is not possible and carbocation is not possible in both hydroboration oxidation and oxymercuration demercuration. It is very most important student. Now next application continuation student, that is 3-methyl-1-butene. 3-methyl-1-butene react with water in the presence of acid catalyst. So it follow the Markovnikov rule. In Markovnikov rule student, that is carbocation is possible, carbocation also possible and rearrangement also possible. Hydration, addition of water, alkenes react with water in the presence of acid catalyst, intermediate carbocation is formed and rearrangement also possible. So here we know this bond, this bond shifting towards here, this carbon getting positive charge and this carbon getting negative charge. After this is secondary carbocation is formed. The secondary carbocation want to be tertiary carbocation. So this hydride shifting here. So here also tertiary carbocation is formed. So already we did in previous video student. So direct I am writing direct product. What is the final product student? CH3, CH3. This OH will attack this position. Then CH2, then CH3. This I am writing final production. This is the final production. First step, what happens? So there is bond shifting, bond breaking. This carbon getting a negative charge, this carbon getting positive charge. First attack the electrophile. This electrophile will attack this position to form a secondary carbocation. Intermediate secondary carbocation is formed. After that, here hydride shifting, rearrangement is possible. Secondary carbocation is there. Secondary carbocation want to be tertiary carbocation. So here rearrangement is possible. So here OH minus will attack this position. So this is I wrote final production. This is the final product. And what about this student? That is same 2,3-methyl-1-butene react with mercuric acetate. This mercuric acetate, what is the role of mercuric acetate? Mercuric acetate, it follow the Markovnikov rule. It follow the Markovnikov rule. But here there is no rearrangement. You remember student? But addition of water in the presence of acid catalyst, rearrangement is possible, carbocation is possible. But in oxymercuration, demercuration, there is no rearrangement, there is no carbocation. So here, what is the final product student? According to the Markovnikov rule, negative part goes to will attacks carbon which contain less number of hydrogens. So here OH minus will attack this position. Which position student? That is CH3, then CH3, CH, OH, then CH2H. This is the final production. It follows the Markovnikov rule, but there is no rearrangement. Oxymercuration, demercuration, there is no rearrangement is possible. There is no rearrangement. There is no carbocation. It follows directly Markovnikov rule, and but its secondary alcohol is formed, but it is a tertiary alcohol. And next one is 3-methyl-1-butene react with hydroboration oxidation, B2H6 in the presence of tetrahydrofuran H2O2 by OH minus hydroboration oxidation. It follow the anti-Markovnikov rule. Very most important sir, it follow the anti-Markovnikov rule. We know anti-Markovnikov rule, negative part goes to will attacks carbon which contain more number of hydrogen. So this OH minus will attack this position, H plus will attack this position. So here also there is no carbocation, there is no rearrangement. No rearrangement is possible. No rearrangement, no carbocation. So direct, what is the product student? CH3, CH, then CH3, CH2, CH2OH. This OH minus will attack carbon which contain more number of hydrogen. OH minus will attack carbon which contain more number of hydrogen. H plus will attack carbon which contain less number of hydrogen. This is the anti-Markovnikov rule. It is syn addition. It is anti-addition and Markovnikov rule. Because it is oxymercuration, demercuration. Oxymercuration is anti-addition reaction, and hydroboration oxidation is syn addition. And last example student, that is 1, 2, 3 3,3 dimethyl 1-butene, react with mercuric acetate, water and sodium borohydride. It is oxymercuration demercuration reaction, student. So it follow the Markovnikov's rule. It follow the Markovnikov's rule. So we know according to the Markovnikov rule, negative part addition of water H plus and OH minus. OH minus will attacks carbon which contain less number of hydrogen. H plus will attacks carbon which contain more number of hydrogen. What is the final product, student? That is CH3, CH3, then CH3, CHOH, then CH3. This is the final production. It follows the Markovnikov rule, but there is no rearrangement, there is no carbocation, there is no intermediate carbocation is not formed, no intermediate carbocation, no rearrangement. These both are absent. Direct product is this is the direct product, that is secondary alcohol is formed, direct product. But next one is same reagent, that is same reaction. 3,3 dimethyl 1-butane react with diborane B2H6 in the presence of tetrahydrofuran H2O in the presence of OH minus. These reagents are belongs to hydroboration oxidation. Hydroboration and oxidation, it follow the anti-Markovnikov rule. It follow the anti-Markovnikov rule. So what is the final product, student? Anti-Markovnikov, according to the anti-Markovnikov rule, negative anti-Markovnikov rule, it will attacks H plus and OH minus. H plus and OH minus. According to the anti-Markovnikov rule, OH minus will attacks carbon which contain more number of hydrogen. OH minus will attacks always carbon which contain more number of hydrogen. So we get the final product CH3, CH hydrogen here, then CH2OH, the H plus and OH minus. H plus will attack carbon which contain less number of hydrogen. OH minus will attack carbon which contain more number of hydrogen. So this is the anti-Markovnikov rule. Hydroboration oxidation is belongs to syn addition reaction. It is syn addition reaction. Oxymercuration demercuration belongs to anti-addition reaction. It is a very most important, student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.